Proposing to your girlfriend is a significant and memorable moment, and how you do it should reflect your relationship and personalities. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to propose to your girlfriend. Tip number 1. Plan ahead. Take time to plan the proposal. Think about the location, timing, and any special elements you want to include. Tip number 2. Choose the right location. Select a location that is meaningful to both of you. It could be where you first met, had your first date, or a place that holds special memories. Tip number 3. Personalize the proposal. Incorporate elements that are unique to your relationship. Recall shared experiences, inside jokes, or activities you both enjoy. Tip number 4. Get a ring if applicable. If you're planning to propose with a ring, choose one that suits her taste. If you're unsure, you can consider enlisting the help of her close friends or family. Tip number 5. Practice what you'll say. While you don't need a rehearsed script, it's a good idea to have a general idea of what you want to say. Speak from the heart and express your feelings. Tip number 6: Involve loved ones. If desired, consider involving your families or close friends in the proposal if you think she would appreciate it. Their presence can make the moment even more special. Tip number 7. Capture the moment. If possible, have someone take photos or record a video of the proposal. This will allow you to relive the moment and share it with others. Tip number 8. Stay calm. It's normal to feel nervous, but try to stay as calm as possible. Remember that this is a joyful moment you're sharing with someone you love. Tip number 9. Choose the right timing. Find a moment when you're both relaxed and can savor the experience without feeling rushed. Tip number 10. Express your feelings. When you're ready to propose, take her hand, look into her eyes, and express your feelings. You could talk about your journey together, what she means to you, and your hopes for the future. Tip number 11. Get down on one knee, if traditional. If you choose, you can get down on one knee as a classic gesture of proposing. This is optional and should fit your personalities. Tip number 12. Pop the question. Ask the big question. Use this moment to show your commitment and love. For example, will you marry me? Or will you spend the rest of your life with me? Tip number 13. Give her time. After proposing, give her time to process her emotions and respond. There might be tears of joy, laughter, or a speechless moment. Be patient. Tip number 14. Celebrate together. Once she says yes, celebrate together. Have a toast, enjoy the moment, and let the happiness sink in. Tip number 15. Share the news. After you've celebrated privately, feel free to share the exciting news with friends and family. Remember that every relationship is unique, so tailor the proposal to what you know will make her feel loved and cherished. The most important thing is that the proposal comes from your heart and is a genuine reflection of your feelings for her. Good luck!